Welcome back to BikeZone channel. Today we dive into the Suzuki Hayabusa, a name synonymous with speed and power, has evolved for 2025. Building on its legacy as one of the fastest production motorcycles ever made, the 2025 Suzuki Hayabusa GSX 1300R combines aerodynamic design, advanced electronics, and enhanced handling to meet the demands of modern riders. Whether you're an enthusiast or new to the world of hyperbikes, this latest Hayabusa offers an exhilarating riding experience, merging past glory with future technology, design and aesthetics. The 2025 Hayabusa showcases an aggressive, sculpted design that emphasizes aerodynamics and stability at high speeds. Suzuki has refined the bike's already iconic look, incorporating sharper lines, an updated headlight, and a redesigned front cowl. The color schemes have also been updated to appeal to both the classic Hayabusa fans and new riders alike, offering a sleek, futuristic aesthetic without compromising on its distinct identity. Overall, Suzuki's careful balance between tradition and innovation gives the Hayabusa a commanding presence on the road. Engine and performance. At the heart of the 2025 Hayabusa is an enhanced 340cc, four-cylinder engine. While maintaining the same displacement as previous models, Suzuki has optimized engine components for improved torque and fuel efficiency. Delivering a smooth, yet powerful ride, the Hayabusa effortlessly blends brute force with refinement, producing horsepower that places it among the elite hyperbikes. With an emphasis on mid-range power, the engine now provides smoother acceleration, giving riders more control while still being able to hit thrilling top speeds. Advanced Electronics Suite. One of the most impressive upgrades in the 2025 Hayabusa is its electronics suite. The new Hayabusa features Suzuki's intelligent ride system SIRS, which includes multiple rider modes to adapt to different terrains and riding styles. Additionally, it boasts a bi-directional quick shifter, anti-lift control, and an enhanced traction control system. This advanced setup offers riders the confidence and flexibility to push the bike's limits safely, whether carving corners or accelerating on straightaways. Improved chassis and handling. Suzuki has worked on making the 2025 Hayabusa lighter and more agile. The bike retains its aluminum frame but with tweaks that reduce weight and enhance rigidity. The revised suspension, coupled with Brembo Stylema brakes, provides outstanding stopping power and smoother handling. These improvements make the bike more agile on twisty roads and more stable at high speeds. This means riders get the benefit of better control, whether cruising in the city or taking on open highways. Rider comfort and ergonomics. Long-distance comfort has always been part of the Hayabusa's charm, and the 2025 model keeps this in mind. The redesigned seat and improved ergonomics ensure riders can spend hours on the bike without feeling fatigued. The handlebars have been raised slightly, offering a more relaxed, upright riding position, which is ideal for both touring and everyday riding. This blend of power and comfort makes the Hayabusa as comfortable for long journeys as it is thrilling for short, high-speed runs. Conclusion. The 2025 Suzuki Hayabusa GSX 1300R is a worthy successor in the legendary Hayabusa lineup. With an evolved design, cutting-edge electronics, and refined performance, this hyperbike is poised to set new standards for both speed and handling. Suzuki has retained the essence of what made the Hayabusa an icon while incorporating modern features that today's riders demand. For anyone seeking a powerful, reliable, and beautifully crafted motorcycle, the 2025 Hayabusa is a perfect blend of tradition and innovation, a true beast on the road. Thanks for joining BikeZone.